tips on how to buy a guitar. Guitars are one of the best musical instruments man has ever created. This is because learning how to play the guitar is as easy as 1-2-3. It just needs some dogged determination, interest, and love for music, and anybody can easily learn how to manipulate a few strings. Since many people would like to believe that all guitars are the same because they have similar attributes, it is really not possible to assume it is so. This is because guitars are not created equal. Each kind has its own distinctions and differences. For those who are not yet familiar with the way to choose the right guitar, here is a list of some tips that you can use. 1. Determine your budget first. Guitars are not made of second-hand class materials, so you can expect that most of the guitars are relatively expensive. Determine your budget first so that you will know how much you can afford before you decide what kind of a guitar to buy. Settling for a cheaper guitar is generally not a good option, especially those that are priced below $200, so you had better set a budget for it. 2. Know your style. Knowing the kind of music that you like will help determine the kind of style of music you will play. For instance, if you are interested in acoustic music, then it is best to buy an acoustic guitar. If you are into jazz, it would be better to buy an archtop guitar. 3. Know the store. Do not buy just anywhere. It would be better to buy your guitar from a quality shop or store. This will assure you of the quality of the guitar plus service in case you need some repairs or additional services.